County, Jefferson County, until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:09 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Corinth Rec area to near Parish to near Bank Headlock and down to Lake Woodlane State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Fairfield, Fultondale, Oneonta, Summatoon, Blunt'ville, Cleveland, Dallas, and Centerpoint. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blount and Jefferson,